Hi everyone, it's Beck here from In Line with Essential Oils. My apologies for my start. I've just pulled my microphone closer. I've been told my video quality isn't great, and also my sound isn't great. So I'm just going to pop my microphone closer to see if I can get clarity. I'm actually in the evening of my day, and I've just realized as I'm kind of winding down for the day that I'm starting to get an itchy spot here, and also up here, and also down here, and also in my nose area here. Now, when I find that I get an itchy nose here, I find that a lot of people, as per, childhood, when people say, oh, you've got an itchy nose or an itchy bum, then you've got worms. And I actually just realized, let me share my screen with you. I just was looking up meridians because I was like, this is a meridian point. I know it with my heart and my soul. So I just want to share my screen with you so you can see this, because I just Googled it. Google is our friend at times. So I just looked up, well, this one was large intestine meridian points, but prior to that, let me just quickly click back. I think I actually, I just looked up meridian, there we go, meridian above elbow. And then it showed the picture where I was itchy, so I clicked on that, and then I clicked on the actual website, which took me to here, which is super cool. Thank you so much to this website for writing this information up. So the L1 or large intestine L, the LI11 is actually large intestine. So that's that point there, which is exactly where I'm itchy. And I can feel it itch actually the whole way along there. So that's on my left arm. And it's also on my left nostril. So when I looked at the other pictures, if I just go back off that and click on back, or maybe I'll just click on images for liver meridian points. Large intestine, large intestine meridian points. It actually shows there. Can you see that picture there? In fact, this is probably a better, more clear picture. Actually, no, this one's still a good one. I'll click on that to make it large. See if I can, how big I can make this image. If you can see that image right there on the screen, it actually shows that it goes right up to your nose. Now that says it's on the right arm though, from what I can see. Oh no, it's all the way down the left side. Right, hang on. From the opposite size nostril to the arm, I'm pretty sure from that image. But yeah, and just noticing my shoulder was itchy, and I can see it's on the shoulder point too, on the other side. Yeah, I find it super interesting, and actually I do know that there is a meridian that goes into this point here for the large intestine too. So you can see that on where it highlights it up there too. So large intestine on this part of the finger, yep, on that part, which is the elimination station. I love that. Then here, keep moving. Interesting, support and rush out. I love meridians. And here, breathing. Yeah, it's itchy there too. So, this is amazing. Thank you, Dana. I don't know who you are, but thank you for putting your work out into the world. And then I'll just click it back as well, just so you can see the overall pictures and images. Look, there's a great picture there too. So it's very interesting that I picked up on that. And so I thought to myself, let me just stop sharing now. You guys can do your own looking up on those things. But basically, yeah, I feel super itchy, and I was like, oh, I need to put an oil on this to help it shift the energy through, and just to move it, and also help with the the itch. So I can really feel that it's so itchy along there. And so I've actually been putting Blue Relief on as an essential oil to see if it will do anything or make any difference. And I'm just going to keep applying it until I feel relief. So I'm going to put that near my nose, or I could probably put a little bit under there, a little bit. I can feel it even there. And in fact, that's where the picture says it goes all the way down there, down the neck, across the arm, down the back of the shoulder, and down here, and then to the thumb and the finger. So just following the middle, it's really itchy there now. I can really feel that itch. So obviously I'm just thinking the large intestine channel, maybe I could give myself a massage on my tummy as well with beautiful Digize essential oil. I've been drinking a lot of coconut water today just to keep my body hydrated. I feel like I'm always wanting to get myself hydrated a lot. We're getting a lot more sun now, so I'm loving that, loving it. It's the best in the world to have so much sun. It's like been a while, especially, I don't know about your neck of the woods, but my neck of the woods, it's been very wet for a long time, and so we're excited to have the sun back out. So excited. So yeah, I can even feel myself take a big deep breath. Obviously just the massage alone, even without the essential oils, would be beneficial. But I just really feel like the essential oil almost assists and supports moving that energy, and like it helps with the glide of the massage as well, because it makes your skin so nice and essential oily. Even though I don't feel like it's got any kind of residual greasy feeling, it's very absorbed into my skin. My skin looks super shiny though, so it's looking like my skin is super hydrated. But yeah, so I wonder if something is moving in that part of my tummy, in my large intestine. If you follow Meridian work, which I definitely love, it's definitely a passion of mine. I haven't probably shared on here before that I also have two professions. So I have my Young Living business, and I also have another career path also. So and that career path is pretty much based on major meridians and working on the emotions and things like that. So well, interestingly, I'm just reading now, just at the corner of my eye as well, all about TCM, large intestine. TCM stands for traditional Chinese medicine. And apparently, if you even look back, before traditional Chinese medicine, there was even, if you look into it, there's even prior to that, the nadis of the Eastern medicine of the Indian culture. So yeah, so check it out. I feel like it's eased off even just while we've been talking here. And I can feel actually another little itch up here, which is not related to that meridian. It'll probably be a different one, I'm guessing. It's yeah, there's a lot going on. I feel very itchy, so there's a lot of energy shifting from there. And it's really quite amazing to me to see how the body will move if you help it as well. If you're supporting your body be able to shift that energy out by giving yourself a self massage and following that energy path. Even I can feel pressure in this part of my finger now. So I'm just intuitively moving according to where it is in my body that I feel whatever I'm feeling, the tension, the tightness, the energy stored in there that needs to feel like it needs to move. And interestingly as well, I have had a lot of midgie bites, which I can feel around that area too. But I've even got a few little marks on my arms after being bitten so badly while I was on holiday. And I'm so super glad I now have my outdoor blend. If you haven't seen my latest YouTube video, you should go check that out. I just shared that I just purchased that, so I'm super excited about having that in my home now. So if you have any questions, I would love to hear what your thoughts are. And I will just quickly also, in addition, before I go on and ask if you've got any questions, or if you have any kind of comments that you would like to make. This Blue Relief essential oil is a beautiful blend, but it's not the only blend that I could have used. I could have probably used most blends. I could have just used the most common essential oil, which is lavender. Most people have a lavender hanging about, or a tea tree, or a eucalyptus. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend using any other essential oils other than Young Living, based on the potential impurities that those other essential oils may contain, due to the way that they thin the essential oil out with petrochemicals and things like that, and then also fill them, or they change the purity of the oil. So yeah, only Young Living in my household would do. And if you could actually smell the difference between a Young Living oil and another maybe shop bought oil, you would absolutely be able to distinguish the difference for yourself and notice how amazing these oils are in comparison. And I'm not one to get into the whole comparisons of oils, but I'm just talking about your typical shop bought oils that are, generally speaking, probably most likely not the strength and purity of these oils, that's for sure. And yeah, I just can't emphasize that enough. So yeah, so I could use it pretty much for most oils, even like sacred sandalwood, frankincense, lavender, eucalyptus tea tree. And I just went for Blue Relief because it's a beautiful blend. And I'll share with you the ingredients just quickly. So it's got in it copaiba, bergamot, clove, peppermint, changmao maybe, matriciana, and ginger. So it's a very beautiful blend of oils. In fact, it's not like any of the other Young Living blends. It's such a different aroma to all the other. Even the almost equivalent oil to this would be what people would probably gravitate towards, which is Pan Away, which is also a really beautiful blend. But this smells distinctly different from that, and I think it just has so much more in the way of, I guess, versatility in its blend. Whereas Pan Away, I would only use it for specific things. So if you don't know much about the Young Living oils and you'd like to know more, I'm more than happy to do a one-on-one chat with you, or I can do a group chat if you wanted to get a few people together, and I can come and speak to your group and do a presentation, share what I know, my knowledge, and if even necessary, I can also bring other guest speakers in also. So let me know if that's something that you would like to hear more on. I'm definitely a big lover of oils with bodywork, and emotional work and spiritual work. In fact, you can't do one without any of those others. So yeah, so I've just turned off my diffuser for the day. I've taken out all my jewelry and I'm literally ready for bed, and I just chucked my glasses on, and I just wanted to do a quick video basically because I thought it would be in my interest to do it while it's happening. And you can see how peaceful I am. I'm still giving my hand a bit of a rub on this part of the meridian, but other than that, the itch is really passed. I really feel like that moved quite quickly, and I'm super grateful for the support of the oil to go with it. So yeah, if anything, you know, if you've got just a moisturizer cream to help you move, the energy self-massage is probably the best gift that you can give yourself on a daily basis for self-care. 100 million. So thanks for listening, and hopefully I will get another video out soon. I've got a few more ideas up my sleeve for what I would like to share and help with information for putting out there to whoever's interested. And after that, I'm going to come to a point where I'm like, actually, I can't say that. I'll probably find inspiration again anyhow. It's just like waiting for the next wave of inspiration to move forward. But if you do have any specific questions that you would like answered, I would love for you to just submit them by putting it in the comments below. If you've got any, you know, urgent questions or any things that you might be just curious about that you've just had peaked right now as I'm talking, just pop them in the comments below, and I will definitely make sure I create a video on that. So yeah, if there's anything else I can help you with regards to becoming a Young Living member to get wholesale prices, if you're a big yes right now, I would absolutely love to help you get your own account. Join my team. I've got a beautiful team of all different walks of life, all diversity of people, but one thing we definitely agree on is that we definitely love Young Living as essential oils for our home and our harmony and our families. So we would love for you to join us. So thanks for listening, and I will chat again soon. Bye for now.